Hello everybody, Isamu Sushi here, and you can see my desk looks like quite the mess, but I just thought I'd try something a little bit different. We got the ABUS 8345 cutaway, and I thought I'd try to do a pick on camera. You can see the 5 spools and the one, it's got 2 serrations, top and bottom, for the drivers, regular key pins. Schleg keyway, and I was gonna see if we couldn't get this one on camera. I don't know, we'll see, but I'd set this thing up so hopefully you guys will be able to see the key pins while we be picking. So right there we've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 serrations, the rest are spools, and hopefully I can keep my hand out of the way enough and give it a pick. I picked it before. Today, this is the first time. It's a bit tricky of a pick. One thing I've noticed is very light tension, because the counter rotation is hard to get out of the core without dropping a whole bunch of others or letting go of the tensioner altogether. So you kind of have to really delicately tension this lock. And let's see here. What's holding me? Do I have this driver stuck back there, or key pin I mean? Yeah, see, tension is really tricky on this lock. If you can get the tension right, it's not too bad. Let's see. So, oh, there we go. There we go. And hopefully you guys could see that okay. There's our open. This is a key retaining, so you can't flip the core back without closing the core, or I mean closing the shackle. I lost my little loop. Oh well, I'll find that later. Anyway, this was just my pick of the ABUS 8345, and normally this is just 5 pins. He did pin this up with the 6th. So if you're purchasing one, I can't say for sure whether it's a 6 pin or not. So anyway, that might be something you want to inquire about if it matters to you. But once again, cutaways.store, www.cutaways.store. Go check them out. You can find them on eBay as well, and I'll put links in the description as well. So anyway, thanks. Just wanted to give my approach to spools. Very light tension. Dropping into the counter rotation on a lot of locks can really hang you up to get it to rotate back. So I try to go with really light tension, dropping a lot of pins, resetting those same pins. Anyway, everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Love you all. Peace out.